Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. Today we're having a small harvest. I'm going to show you what we have here in the garden. I've harvested some beans already. Let's turn this camera around so you can see the garden and our harvest for today. I came out here to do a quick harvest and I forgot my phone in the house. I had to run get my phone so I can make a short video on this. So guys, these are oriental yard long beans, or we call this snake beans or string beans, and the plants are over there. So this is what we have. I missed a couple of days of harvest window, that's why this is a little bit old now, but with this one we can go ahead and remove the seeds and we can still eat the seeds. So you just can't eat the whole pod because it's soft already. And then over there, that's where I was working when I realized that I wanted to get a short video on this one. So far, these are the cucumbers that I have harvested. We have quite a few. I noticed that many of the vines are dying. I planted this early in the season, so if it's not diseased, it's probably done. And then I'm just gonna show you some of this. We still have a lot here that I need to harvest. Look at that. So I need to get all of them. And then there are some okra that I need to get as well. It's been very hot here in my area as well. This is the third or fourth day that we are having a heat advisory. So I don't know if that's one of the reasons why these plants are dying. But at least we're getting a good amount of cucumbers here. But I'm not worried about it because I already planted some new cucumbers that will replace these plants. Like this one, this is totally dead. This is the one that started dying off in my previous video. I tried to save it, but it's over, it's done. So yeah, two more right here. These are a few of the cucumber plants that I planted a few weeks ago. They've gotten big already, look at that. And they already have flowers, so it's okay if we lose some of those plants. I'm gonna have to replace those anyway. And then we have some of this. I actually seeded some hybrid cucumbers. They're like Dasher 2. This are the latest direct seeded cucumbers that are in my garden. And then here, next task here is to harvest some okra, because with the okra you have to harvest them every day or every other day because you don't want the okra pods to get very old. What I like about okra is that the flowers are so pretty, especially when they open like that. They're just so amazing. So actually I realized that there's one okra pod here that I probably missed the last time I harvested. That's too big already. We need to go ahead and clip that off the plant. I have my pruner here. Unfortunately, it's hard to do this one-handed, so I'm gonna have to turn off my camera and just go ahead and get all of the okra pods. Beautiful okra plants, guys. And then our peppers are here ready, but I'm not ready to harvest the peppers right now. These are hot peppers, so I need to wear gloves when I handle them. I just realized that there are some aphids in some of these okra plants, so we need to have some intervention so we can save our plants and we can get a better harvest from our okra plants. We have 30 plants in this row, and that should give us enough okra for the whole season because okra is a warm weather vegetable, so it thrives in the heat of the summer, especially here in my area. And oh, this is a pleasant surprise. Look at all of these eggplants. And look at this Casper eggplant. Beautiful. It's small, but it's pretty. I don't see any insects on the eggplant, which is a good thing because usually the Casper eggplants are problematic. But I think growing them in a field covered with a weed fabric helps so that we maintain good health of the plants right here. They're really beautiful. Look at that. And we have another row of eggplants in there. So we have, what, 30 eggplants in a row, and we have 2 rows. So that's 60 eggplants with like 4 or 5 different variety. We have the Casper eggplant, this one, which is white. We have the Turkish orange. We have the Black Beauty eggplant, and the long purple, which is right here. Alright guys, so far these are the vegetables that I've harvested today. We actually have some more like bitter melon and some jalapeno peppers that I need to harvest, but I'm not gonna worry about that for now because I'm going to just take this directly to the produce stand. Well, before we do that, like this one, these cucumbers are prickly, so I'm gonna need to remove the sharp things around it so people will not get scared with this, because some people don't know what to do with the prickly cucumbers. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Have a great day and happy gardening.